It is good to have you here. I appreciate that very much. You are in charge of mines rescue in South Africa since 1982. Altogether, you are overlooking 123 mines of all different minerals. Maybe you can tell me a little bit about your motivation that you have for this challenging task.
Actually, I grew up in a mining house, in a mining town. My father worked in the mines, my brothers worked in the mines. Together we have got over 70 years of mining experience just in our family. And growing up in a house, knowing that your father's going underground, you would like to know that if anything happens to him, that someone will be going down underground to go and rescue him.
And the mines are getting deeper and deeper. Then what impact does that have on mines rescue?
We are currently mining at 4 kilometers underground, and we're busy preparing to mine now at 5 kilometers. And we now find that some of our conventional rescue methods do not suffice anymore. We are now developing new rescue winders so that we can actually perform rescues at this excessive depth. But then also, the deeper we go, the hotter the environment becomes. The long distances that we have to travel, that has got a major impact on our rescue strategies. And then also, the deeper they go, the more mechanized the mining becomes, and therefore the smaller the excavations. So we have to re-look at all of our rescue strategies and our rescue equipment to continue with effective rescue operations in the future, especially in these deep mines.
But do you see any limits, and what could that be?
I don't think that the depth will be a limit. I think that, in today's technology, we can mine deeper. The limit will be that there's other ore bodies that's easily accessible.
What are your experiences with refuge rooms or movable shelters, and what is their part in your rescue concept?
And the people that we use in our mines, they are coming from our neighboring countries, somewhat totally unskilled people. You have to give most of our people a device which is very easy to don and to operate, and then we must ensure that they can get as quickly as possible to a safe shelter where they can stay and wait to be rescued. With our mines that is so deep and the long traveling distances, it is impossible for any person to walk out and to rescue yourself. The distances is just too excessive. So a refuge base is absolutely essential. Without that, a lot of people would have died.
Fires underground are always the biggest threat for miners and the mine itself. Who should first respond? What kind of equipment should they wear, and what kind of training is necessary?
Yes, I think prevention is, of course, the best if you can prevent fires from happening. But I think in South Africa, we train every underground worker, the basics in firefighting. That is taking a fire extinguisher and trying to extinguish a fire. Our vehicles, they are equipped with automatic fire suppression systems. But it's more important that that worker must know his limits. And if he cannot contain the fire immediately, he must evacuate. Otherwise, he's going to place his own life in danger.
Thanks for your time, Christo, and the answers.
Thank you very much.